We're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us, so that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs, so on with the show. You're done now. Huh? Yeah, thank you. Oh. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Sorry, I really hate when you do that. I really don't. I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flick.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This part of my favorite.
Paul! Keep on coming! Chili's on a roll!
Hey! What are you guys trying to
Paul! Listen up, my aunt! Hold still!
Back off! You think I haven't noticed, right?
Yummers! No one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die on the bug!
All right. Well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. We have other shows to do.
I am a lean, defensive machine. I am the Terminator.
You couldn't hurt a flea!
Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh, shoot. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Is everybody all right up there? Oh. I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flick.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let it rip, Claire.
Hey! Stop you, man!
No way! You'll never catch me!
Flick, the target's moved.
Hey, cover! She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Oh, lay off the churros, will ya? Oh, I'm sorry. It'll...
Flick, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? You're still alive? This means war! Hornets, arm your stingers and attack! You are over your target, Black
You reptiles. Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a place.
We're pollinators! We're pollinators! Make your vegetables, flowers.
Give thanks to us bugs for our power.
If it weren't for the fact that we like the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder highways. Shoulder highways.
All bugs were white dog, the face of the planet. Then soon become humans, overcoming to panic. The best thing about us, you can't live without us. Here it comes to be a
Huh. It's a decent game.
And it's oldie! Lucky! Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.